Hi everyone, this is your friend Meir sitting in a very lazy way on my porch right here at the Center and School for Self-Healing. And let's talk about some schooling. This Wednesday, I'm going to go to Opera Plaza and I will post all the details. You're going to have a fantastic vegan meal. I want to tell you that David and his friends are doing it in such a wonderful way with so much care. And after that, I'm going to talk to you and give you practical exercises for brain plasticity. You see, people don't understand. The brain is elastic. The brain is plastic. Things can move forwards all the time in our body. And we need to acknowledge that. And when we acknowledge that, our life changes completely. Many people have digestive problems because they don't know how much they can change the digestion. Many people have problems with discipline. Many people have problems with deep understanding of themselves. And many other people have great problems with a sense of self and a sense of the nervous system. I heard of one great teacher of physiology who said, if you did not learn to ride a bicycle when you were 10, you will not be able to learn how to ride a bicycle when you are 20. But I taught many people to ride bicycles when they were 24 and 25. And I know you can also learn how to ride bicycle when you're 50. It's a matter of learning how to do it. The brain can change and so can the body. And you know, neurologists and ophthalmologists did not take it hard how much it can change. I want you to come and learn how it can. And just be aware of my activities in December and in January, as I'm going for a long trip to Europe. Be aware of the fact that on December, I'm going to give a class for relief of back problems. And on December, I'm going to give a whole day on natural vision improvement and self-healing through movement. Be aware that on January in East-West Bookshop, I will teach classes on both topics. And be aware that on February, I'm teaching a 6-day class. And don't forget that every August, I teach a part 1 training. So there's a lot you can do at the School for Self-Healing. The fact that I'm traveling doesn't mean that I'm not in the Bay Area ready to teach. Come right now to Opera Plaza. It is for a very reasonable fee. You can get a meal and a lecture. Talk to you soon.